Hey there! Welcome to another exciting episode. AI tools help you make money online easily by automating tasks like writing, videos, and design. No experience needed. They do the hard work for you, so you can start earning fast with minimal effort. You don't need any coding skills to start making money with AI. Just learn the basics, apply them, and start earning. In this video, we are going to cover AI tools for different money-making opportunities in content creation, automation, design, and business support. Stay till the end to discover which AI tool is perfect for you. Whether you want to write, design, automate tasks, or create videos, there's an AI tool that fits your skills and interests. Don't miss out on the best way to start earning. So, let's get started. 1. AI tools for content creation. 1. ChatGPT for text content generation. ChatGPT is like a smart assistant that helps you write things quickly and easily. You just tell it what you need, a blog, product description, or script, and it generates the content for you in seconds. For product descriptions, describe the product, and ChatGPT creates a catchy description to help sell it. Example, write about a wireless phone charger, and it gives you a professional product description. Need a script for a video or ad? Just give it a few details and it generates a full script. Example, create a YouTube script about AI tools, and boom, you get a full script. No writing skills needed, just type what you want and ChatGPT does the rest. Offer writing services on Fiverr or Upwork. Use AI to quickly create blog posts, product descriptions, and social media content for clients. Start a blog on a topic you love. Use AI to write articles and make money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Write ebooks fast with AI. Sell them on Amazon Kindle or Gumroad and earn passive income. Here's how to use prompts effectively. Be clear and specific. For example, instead of write about fitness, you could say write a 500-word blog on beginner home workouts. Give context. Example, create a product description for a wireless charger, highlighting fast charging and sleek design. Set the tone. For example, write a funny Instagram caption about Monday mornings. Once you've done that, simply refine and adjust by tweaking your prompt if the response isn't great. Make it shorter or add a call to action. Just type what you need, be detailed, and let AI do the work. There you go. Just created your first content as a freelancer. 2. Jasper AI for marketing and copywriting. This is ideal for social media ads, email marketing, and sales copy. How to start? Step 1. Choose your niche. Focus on social media ads, SEO contents, and email marketing. Step 2. Learn Jasper AI. Use pre-built template for copywriting. Step 3. Set up a portfolio. Showcase sample work created with Jasper AI. Step 4. Find clients. Offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Step 5. Deliver high-quality content. Use AI to create, edit, and refine marketing copy for clients. Step 6. Scale your business. Offer premium packages, retainers, or agency services. 3. Pictory AI. Video content creation. Here's how to convert text into engaging videos. Step 1. Sign up and create an account with Pictory. Step 2. Log in and access the dashboards. Step 3. Paste your script and Pictory will turn it into a video. Step 4. Enter a blog or article link and Pictory will create a summary video. Step 5. Upload a video and edit it using text commands. Step 6. Customize your video by choosing a video style or template. Tip: pick background music and AI voiceovers or upload your own voice. Step 7. Adjust text, transitions, and effects as needed. Step 8. Make sure everything looks good before finalizing. Step 9. Click Generate Video, wait for processing, and download your finished content. Step 10. Share it on YouTube, social media, or use it for marketing. That's it. No video editing skills needed, just type, click, and let AI do the work. Monetization options are YouTube automation, social media content creation, and ad revenue. 4. Synthesia. AI avatars for video content. This creates videos using AI-generated avatars and voiceovers. Synthesia is an AI tool that creates videos using digital avatars instead of human actors. Businesses use it for training videos, advertisements, and explainer content. Companies create step-by-step training for employees without hiring actors or video editors. Brands use this AI avatars to make video ads quickly and affordably. How could you make money from this? A subscription plan. Businesses pay a monthly or yearly fee to access the platform. B. Pay per video. Some companies pay per video created instead of a subscription. C. Enterprise plan. Large companies get custom pricing for bulk video creation. 2. AI tools for automation and business support. There's Zapier, a task automation tool. Connects different apps to automate repetitive tasks. You can make money from this by helping businesses set up automation workflows. Also, you have Tidio, an AI chatbots for customer support. You can create automated customer service chatbots for businesses. Small businesses use Tidio to handle customer inquiries automatically with AI chatbots. It replies to common questions 24/7, helps customers find products, and even collects leads. All without needing a human. This saves time, improves customer service, and boosts sales. To set up a chatbot service, simply sign up and create an account. Pick a template and customize the chatbot responses. Add FAQs, product info, and customer support replies connected to your business, website, Facebook, or WhatsApp. Run a test chat, make improvements, and go live. Now, businesses can automate customer support and sales with ease. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more contents. Next is Copy, AI for business writing. This helps to generate sales emails, product descriptions, and business plans. Freelancers use CopyEye to quickly create high-quality content, like blog posts, ads, emails, and product descriptions. They enter a topic or prompt, and CopyEye generates the text instantly. Then, they edit and sell the content to clients on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to businesses, thereby saving time while making money. 3. AI tools for design and creativity. Canva, graphic design with AI. You can use Canva to generate logos, social media posts, and presentations effortlessly. Using Canva as a designer with no experience is easy. Go to canva.com and create a free account. Pick from thousands of ready-made designs for logos, social media posts, flyers, and more. Drag and drop text, images, and icons to personalize your design. Canva's magic design and background remover make editing super simple. Save your design and sell it on Fiverr, Etsy, or to businesses. No skills needed, just kick, edit, and create. Runway ML. AI for video editing. This automates video editing, background removal, and special effects. 1. Subscription plans. They pay a monthly fee for AI video tools like Pictory Synthesia or Runway ML to create unlimited videos. 2. Pay per video. Some platforms charge per video created, perfect for one-time projects. 3. Hiring freelancers. They pay experts on Fiverr or Upwork to use AI tools and make professional videos for them. This saves time, reduces costs, and delivers high-quality videos fast. DoorMiddle.e2. AI art generation. Having this AI skills help you create stunning AI-generated art. And once you have the skill, this is how you can sell your artworks. 1. Use AI tools like DoorMiddle.e, Midjourney, or Runway ML to generate unique designs. Sell as prints by uploading them to Etsy, Redbubble, or Printify, where people can buy posters, t-shirts, and mugs. 2. Sell as NFTs. Mint your art as an NFT on platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, or Foundation and sell it as a digital collectible. 3. Promote your artwork online. Share on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter to attract buyers. No design skills needed, just create, upload, and sell. 4. AI tools for financial growth. ClearScope, AlphaSense are chatbots for financial advice. These AI tools help to analyze data to help businesses make informed decisions. You can monetize this by offering AI-powered research services for investors or businesses. 1. You can use these AI for stock trading and trading ideas. For example, you can use Tickeron to predict market trends and stock trading. Exciting, right? Here is how to learn and leverage AI for personal investing or selling trading signals. 1. Learn AI for investing. Use AI tools like Trade Ideas, Tickeron, or AlphaSense to analyze stock trends and market data. 2. Practice with demo accounts. Test AI-powered predictions on platforms like TradingView before investing real money. 3. Invest smartly. Use AI to identify profitable stocks, crypto, or forex trades with minimal risk. 4. Sell trading signals. Share AI-generated stock tips on Telegram, Discord, or subscription platforms and charge a fee. AI helps make smarter trades and can even become a business. AI for resume writing, ResumeMake, enhance AI-generated resume and cover letter services. Here is how to start a resume writing business with AI tools. 1. Choose an AI tool. Use ResumeMake, Enhance, or ChatGPT to generate professional resumes and cover letters. 2. Set up your service. Create a profile on Fiverr, Upwork, or your own website to offer resume writing services. 3. Customize and edit. Use AI to generate resumes, then tweak them to match job descriptions and client preferences. 4. Promote your business. Market your services on LinkedIn, Facebook, and job seeker groups. 5. Deliver and earn. Send the finished resumes, get paid, and build a portfolio to attract more clients. AI makes resume writing fast and easy. Just create, edit, and sell. 5. Getting started and making money. 1. Choose the right AI tool based on your interests and skills. 2. Choose the platforms to offer your AI-related services: Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, Etsy, Shopify. Here are tips on how to market your AI-generated content or services. 1. Create a portfolio. Showcase AI-generated content such as blogs, videos, designs on a website, social media, or Fiverr/Upwork. 2. Use social media. Post AI-created samples on Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter to attract clients. 3. Leverage SEO and blogs. Write about your AI services on a blog or use keywords to rank higher in searches. 4. Offer free samples. Give potential clients a small preview to build trust and get testimonials. 5. Join online marketplaces. List your services on Freelancer, Etsy, for AI art or subscription platforms. 6. Network and collaborate. Partner with influencers or businesses needing AI-generated content. Stay consistency and be visible, and you will get more sales. Remember, AI is here to stay, and now is the best time to jump in. Let us know in the comment section which AI tool excites you the most, and subscribe for more content. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more related side hustle tips. AI is changing the game, and now is the perfect time to jump in. You don't need experience, just a willingness to learn and take action. Remember, start small, stay consistent, and watch your side hustle grow. Whether it's writing, designing, or automating tasks, AI can help you make money faster and easier than ever before. Believe in yourself, keep pushing forward, and success will follow. The future is yours, go create it. Until next time guys, thanks for watching.